In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Steam gift card on Amazon in just 5 minutes. It's a straightforward process whether you're purchasing it for yourself or as a gift for someone else. We'll cover everything from finding the card on Amazon, purchasing it, and then redeeming it in your Steam account. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to the Amazon website. Once you're there, use the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Steam gift card. This will bring up a variety of options for you to choose from. You'll see different denominations, so pick the one that best fits your needs. After selecting the amount you want, click on the item to proceed with the purchase. Here you'll find purchase options, including adding the digital gift card to your cart. Follow the standard checkout process on Amazon. If you're new to Amazon, remember that you'll need to sign into your account, and for a seamless experience, ensure your payment information is updated. Once you've completed the purchase, it's time to move over to the Steam platform to redeem your gift card. Open your Steam app on your device. If you don't have the app, it might be a good time to download and install it. Once opened, you'll see a login screen. Click on the login button and then enter your Steam account name and password. If you're concerned about security, remember to enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. With your login complete, click on Sign In to access your Steam homepage. Now that you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with your dashboard. It's important to know your way around this area, especially if you're planning to redeem Steam gift cards regularly. Next, locate your profile button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on your profile to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there navigate to View My Wallet. This section contains all your current balance and codes you've redeemed before. To add your new gift card, look for the option that says Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code and click it. You should now see a field where you can enter the code. Check your email or Amazon account for the digital code that was sent during purchase, and carefully type it into this field. After entering the code, click on Continue. The platform may prompt you with additional steps or verification, so just follow through with any additional instructions that appear. With that, the redemption process is complete, and the funds should now appear in your Steam wallet. And there you have it, you've successfully purchased and redeemed a Steam gift card from Amazon. Whether you're treating yourself or a friend, it's a quick and easy process that allows you to instantly enhance your gaming experience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next gaming adventure.